Hello everyone, welcome to all of you in this video. You are watching my YouTube channel Learn from Home with Satish Akka. And our today's topic is one poem of 10th standard English language textbook, unit number 2 and lesson number 2.1. Name of the poem is You Start Dying Slowly. Okay, before we start this poem, let's take some information about poet and poem. This poem is written by a well-known poet Pablo Neruda. And what is given in this poem? See, the poet describes different ways to look at life or look towards life. In this poem, the poet describes many common things or common activities from our daily life, and if we avoid such common things, then you are moving towards the death. You are going to die slowly. या कवितेमध्ये कवीने जीवनाकडे बघण्याचा दृष्टिकोन कसा असावा याविषयीचे मार्गदर्शन केलेलं आहे. जीवनामध्ये काही गोष्टी या करायच्याच असतात आणि त्या गोष्टी, दॅट कॉमन थिंग्स जर तुम्ही करणार नसाल तर तुम्ही हळूहळू मरणाच्या दिशेने पावले टाकत आहात, अशा आशयाची ही पोएम आहे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस पोएम. First stanza of this poem is, if you do not travel, if you do not read, if you do not listen to the sound of life, if you do not appreciate yourself, then you start dying slowly. First, note down the meaning of word dying slowly. Can you guess the meaning of word dying slowly? Dying slowly means are you going to die actually? No, not at all. You are not going to die, but the meaning of the word dying slowly is losing hope of happy life. If you are not doing such common things in your life, then you are losing hope of happy life. जीवनामध्ये तुम्ही आनंदी भविष्य तुम्ही गमावणार आहात, अशा आशयाचा हा शब्द आहे. Okay, now see line by line explanation. If you do not travel, if you do not read, जर तुम्ही प्रवास करणार नसाल, जर तुम्ही वाचन करणार नसाल तर, if you do not listen to the sound of life, जीवनामध्ये जो जिवंत ध्वनी आहे तो जर तुम्ही ऐकणार नसाल तर, if you do not listen to the sound of life and if you do not appreciate yourself, जर तुम्ही जीवनामधला जो जिवंत ध्वनी आहे तो तुम्ही ऐकत नसाल, तो जिवंत ध्वनी तुम्हाला ऐकू येत नसेल तर, and if you do not appreciate yourself, तुम्ही जर स्वतःचीच वाहवा करणार नसाल, then you start dying slowly, तर तुम्ही हळूहळू मरणाच्या दिशेने वाटचाल करत आहात. Okay, one in-text question is here. What things can lead a slow death? And we can write answer of this in-text question like, if one ignores traveling, reading, listening to the sound of life, and knowing one's own quality can lead to the slow death. Okay, now let's go towards second stanza. See, when you kill your self-esteem, when you do not let others help you, you start dying slowly. Now, first of all, note down the meaning of word self-esteem. Self-esteem means, it means being happy with one's own character, or we can say self-respect also. आत्मसन्मान असा या शब्दाचा अर्थ आहे. So, when you kill your self-esteem, when you do not let others help you, जर तुम्ही तुमचा आत्मसन्मान गमावलेला असेल, when you do not let others help you, जर तुम्ही कोणाकडून जर सहकार्य घेणार नसाल, then you are dying slowly. See, this picture and this video also shows and poet reminds us, if we kill our self-esteem and if we do not let others help us, जर का आपण आपला आत्मसन्मान गमावलेला असेल, जर का आपण आपल्याकडे जे काही आहे त्यामध्ये समाधान मानून जीवन जगत नसाल, जर तुम्ही दुसऱ्यांचं सहकार्य घेत नसाल, then you start dying slowly. हळूहळू तुम्ही मरणाच्या दिशेने वाटचाल करत आहात. Okay, go towards next stanza, stanza number 3. If you become slave of your habits, walking every day on same path, if you do not wear different colors, or if you do not talk to those you don't know, you start dying slowly. See here, line by line explanation. If you become a slave of your habits, walking every day on same path, जर तुम्ही तुमच्या सवयींचे गुलाम झालेला असाल आणि दररोज एकाच मार्गावरून मार्गक्रमण करत असाल, इफ यू आर नॉट चेंजिंग युअर वे, आपला जर मार्ग तुम्ही बदलत नसाल तर, इफ यू डू नॉट विअर डिफरंट कलर्स, जर तुम्ही रंगीबेरंगी कपडे घालत नसाल, रंगीबेरंगी कपडे घालण्याची तुमची जर इच्छा होत नसेल तर, और इफ यू डू नॉट talk to those you don't know, if you are not talking with unknown person, तुम्हाला अपरिचित असणारी, तुम्हाला अनोळखी असणारी व्यक्तींशी जर तुम्ही बोलत नसाल, then you start dying slowly, then you are going to die. हळूहळू तुम्ही मरणाच्या दिशेनेच वाटचाल करत आहात. See, poet explained here such common things of life, and these all are common things. Traveling, reading, knowing ourselves, our self-esteem, and talking with unknown persons, wearing different colors. These are the common things which makes life happy. But if you are not doing all these just common things and avoiding it, then you are dying slowly. Then you are not enjoying your life. Here is one in-text question. What is that makes life worth living? Give 4 points and you can give answer of this question like self-appreciation, self-esteem, change in routine, and job satisfaction of 4 points makes life worth living. Okay, now go towards next stanza, stanza number 4. If you avoid to feel passion and their turbulent emotions, those which makes your eyes glisten and your heart beat fast, you start dying slowly. See, in this stanza, here are some unfamiliar words. First one is turbulent. What is meant by turbulent? It means unsteady, or in Marathi you can say asthir. Another one unfamiliar word is here, that glisten. Glisten means, it means just shine or just sparkle, चकाकणे या अर्थानं हा शब्द इथं वापरलेला आहे. So let's go line by line. If you avoid feel passion and their turbulent emotions, Now here the poet warns us, if you avoid our strong feelings, if you avoid our emotions, आपल्या ज्या काही उत्कंठा आहेत, आपला उत्साह, आपल्या भावना आहेत, त्या जर तुम्ही दाबून ठेवत असाल तर, if you avoid to feel passion and their turbulent emotions, those which makes your eyes glisten and your heart beat fast, की ज्यामुळे तुमचे डोळे पाणावतात, ज्यामुळे तुमच्या हृदयाचे ठोके वाढतात, अशा जर भावना आपण दाबून ठेवत असेल, अशा भावनांना जर आपण वाव देणार नसेल, then you start dying slowly. Then you are not enjoying your life at all. Let's go towards the next stanza. If you do not change your life, when you do not satisfied with your job or with your love, if you do not risk for what is safe for the uncertain, and if you do not go after a dream, if you do not allow yourself at least once in your life to run away from sensible advice, you start dying slowly. Let's see line by line explanation, but before that, here is note down one word with their meaning, and that word is sensible. Do you know what is meant by sensible? It means wise or full of common sense. समंजसपणाचा सल्ला, Marathi meaning of this word. So, line by line explanation. If you do not change your life, जर तुम्ही तुमच्या जीवनामध्ये बदल करत नसाल तर, केव्हा? When you are not satisfied with your job or with your love, जेव्हा आपणाला आपल्या कामामधून समाधान मिळत नाही, आपल्या प्रेमामधून आपली अपेक्षा पूर्ती होत नाही, तेव्हा सुद्धा जर तुम्ही तुमच्या जीवनामध्ये बदल करणार नसाल तर, if you do not risk what is safe for the uncertain, and if you do not go after a dream, जर तुम्ही काही गोष्टींमध्ये रिस्क घेणार नसाल तर, तुम्ही तुमच्या जर स्वप्नांचा पाठलाग करणार नसाल तर, सी वी शुड गो आउटसाइड ऑफ अवर कम्फर्ट झोन. तुम्ही तुमचे जे सुरक्षित ठिकाण आहे, त्या सुरक्षिततेच्या ठिकाणापासून बाहेर जाऊन जर तुम्ही तुमच्या स्वप्नांचा पाठलाग करणार नसाल तर, अँड इफ यू डू नॉट अलाव युअर सेल्फ ऍट लिस्ट वन्स इन युअर लाईफ टू रन अवे फ्रॉम सेन्सिबल ऍडवाइस, समंजसपणाच्या सल्ल्यापासून जीवनामध्ये एकदा तरी दूर जाऊन जर तुम्ही जीवन जगत नसाल तर, देन यू आर नॉट लिव्हिंग युअर लाईफ, यू आर डाईंग स्लोली. तर तुम्ही जगत नाही तर हळूहळू मरणाच्या दिशेने तुम्ही आपली पावले टाकत आहात. इट मीन्स these are the common things, common activities, and we should enjoy all these activities in our life. And that is message given in this poem by Pablo Neruda. And now, what is conclusion of this poem? Here, poet says that risk, changes, challenges are signs of our worthy life. We can't run away from it. Overall, I would say I like this poem because of its practical message. See, the poet has left the last stanza incomplete. What line will you add to complete it? According to me, I will add there simply one line. You start dying slowly. That's it in this poem. I hope all of you have got clear idea about this poem. Thank you for watching till to end. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe my YouTube channel to get latest video notification. And if you want any video with particular topic, please comment me here in comment box. Definitely I will go through it. Thank you for watching till the end. Well done.